In this video, we'll be looking at how to calculate the future value of an ordinary annuity. So for our example, if $2,000 is invested semi-annually into an account earning 4% interest, how much will the account contain after 20 years? So to calculate this, we'll be using our TVM solver in the graphing calculator. So we want to hit Apps, and then Finance, and TVM solver. So our N is the number of times interest will be compounded in total. The payments are being made semi-annually, so we can assume that interest is being compounded semi-annually as well. So that's twice per year for 20 years. So interest will be compounded in total 40 times. Our interest rate is 4%. And our present value would be the amount of money that we start with. In this problem, no amount of money is mentioned that we start with, so we'll assume that the account starts with a balance of $0. The payment for this problem is the $2,000 that's invested semi-annually. And because that's an investment, it needs to be a negative number. So negative $2,000. Future value is what we're wanting to solve for on this problem. The payments per year and compounds per year will both be 2 because we're compounding semi-annually and making payments semi-annually. Since this problem doesn't specify whether the payments are made at the end of the period or the beginning of the period, we'll assume that they're being made at the end of the period, which makes this an ordinary annuity. So what we want to solve for is the future value. So we'll go up to future value, we'll hit alpha and then enter. And we can see that if we deposit $2,000 semi-annually into this account for 20 years, we would eventually have $120,803 and about 97 cents.